So I've decided that I really want to spruce up, or what's the term, bougie up, a few of my t-shirts. Okay, and so the thing is, the ones I do have are kind of, well, they're baggy. I like to buy stuff from the men's section. My mum was complaining about it because they look like guy stuff and not girly clothes. So I figured out a way to fix it. Appliques, or drawing on patterns. So I suck at drawing. Basically, I'm very cat-handed, so I figured out a loophole. Lace appliques. So first up, I have this. This is like a diamond shape. Got a couple of these, but they didn't look sparkly enough, so ta-da! Now, how you do this is, and I'm going to do this with most of my projects, is all you need is E6000 glue and something to put it on with. So this is basically just spaghetti, because frankly once the glue's on you're just gonna have to break it off and chuck it away anyway. Another couple I'm really proud of is these. Another one without the little bits in the top. Something like this. So if you're wondering, these look like this on the other side. Just E6000 the pearls on. Which are these. They're kind of this grey pearl thing I found on eBay a long time ago, and I think they're really cool. What these are though is this. This is some sort of flowery lace ribbon. I got it at Lincraft. Wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, I think, but yeah. Now I figured it out. They make really great bases for sticking rhinestones on, or diamantes, or whatever you call them. And they make it really easy if you suck at drawing, like I do. And they also provide a nice base for you to decide on shapes for sticking onto your t-shirts or basics. I'm quite proud of this one, how it turned out. So these is exactly the same as this one here, but instead of a center I also decided to add some extras. See, another pearl and that. So these here is actually lots of these that I stuck on to the pattern here. I think it looks really nice and snowflakey actually, and so I'm looking forward to using this. I like it so much I think I'll make a couple more. It took me about 10 minutes I think, so actually probably about 20 minutes, and then you have to wait for it to dry. Well, yeah, I was watching TV at the time, so 20 is generous, probably more like 10 or 15. More of these. Okay, so these again are the same thing as the other ones. So they're these little I think they're daisies or sunflowers. Anyhow, I like the shape and I've been using up a load of these, so I'm looking forward to using it to mix up my other clothes. Basics really, or just clothes I buy and I get a bit bored of them but I don't want to throw them out, so I upcycle them. These are really awesome. They actually remind me of the Chanel camellia. I really like camellias. They're actually one of my favorite flowers. So this, actually what these are these flower appliques as well. At least that's what they're called. I think I just googled, did a quick search, saw this shape, loved it, and then to get this from this, all I had to do was cut out the netting bit here in the middle. The little gems are pretty cheap too. These are about $3 for a big ass pack like this. That's AUD, I just got them at the dollar store. And the little pearls as well. Yep, $2.50, about $3. These are the Porter Crafts. So are these. If you're looking for gems that look like this, you have to use the search not diamond, but horse eye. This shape is called a horse eye. Wish I knew why, but there you go. And anything that's like this is a diamond. So yeah, just as reference, the Chanel Camellia. This is a picture I got of the little Chanel Camellia look. And yeah, they're really similar to me. Not exactly the same, but I think it's both really gorgeous. So there you go. And to create these, after I've cut out and made it look like this, I then paint it with this gold fabric paint and a brush. I got like a pack of 5 of these for $3 at the dollar store as well. Yeah, we don't really call them, yeah, hot dollar. I think that's the name, hot dollar. So yeah, I'm looking forward to testing these out. If you guys make them too or have any ideas, please share them with me. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!